Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Sheet you intend to share. This ensures you're working in the correct file. Once done, confirm you have owner or edit rights so sharing options appear. Next, decide whether you'll send a secure link or export and attach a static file. Choose link for live collaboration, export to attach a snapshot. Make that choice now, because the next steps change slightly based on whether you need dynamic edits versus a fixed copy. You click the blue Share button in the top right and either paste recipient emails or select Get Link to Copy. When adding people, set their role, viewer, commenter, or editor, because roles control what others can change. Choose editor only when necessary. If using a link, toggle between restricted and anyone with link. Restricted keeps control, anyone simplifies access. Also expand advanced to disable downloads or set expiration. These options protect content while still enabling the collaboration you want. You now either click Send in the Share dialog to email access directly, or go to File Download and attach a XLSX or PDF to your email if you chose a snapshot. If pasting a link into an email, include brief instructions and the access level so recipients know what they can do. After sending, ask a recipient to confirm access and open the sheet. If they can't, recheck the share settings. Restricted links, typos in addresses, or required sign-in are the common causes to fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.